Meditation, an ancient practice that has captivated countless seekers throughout the ages. But what is meditation really? Beyond the images of serene individuals in lotus position, what lies at the heart of this powerful tool for inner peace? At its core, meditation is the art of cultivating mindfulness. It is a practice that allows us to bring our attention to the present moment, to fully embrace the here and now. Through meditation, we silence the endless chatter of our minds, creating space for clarity and stillness. Contrary to popular belief, meditation is not about emptying the mind or achieving a state of total thoughtlessness. Rather, it invites us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing us to develop a deeper understanding of our inner landscape. As we embark on this journey, we begin to uncover the true essence of meditation, discovering our connection to something greater than ourselves. It is a sacred space where we can tap into our inner wisdom, intuition, and creativity, unleashing our full potential. Meditation is not reserved for the spiritual seekers alone. It has the power to benefit everyone, no matter their beliefs or backgrounds. It is a universal tool that can be practiced by anyone seeking a calmer mind, increased focus, and a greater sense of peace. So, how do we meditate? There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Whether it's focusing on the breath, visualizing peaceful scenes, or repeating a mantra, meditation offers a variety of techniques to suit our individual needs. In a world that constantly bombards us with distractions, meditation empowers us to disconnect from external chaos and reconnect with our inner selves. It is through this practice that we can cultivate the art of inner peace amidst the noise of everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to demystify meditation. We hope this exploration has inspired you to embark on your own path towards inner peace. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.